I have a friend who's learning Morse code, and I thought it would be nice to give them a code practice oscillator. I found this kit, this guy here, for sale by QRP guys. And it's got an oscillator, a keyer, and paddles all on one board. So let's jump right into the build, and then we'll come back and see how it works. All right, so as you might have guessed, I did get it all together and was able to try it out. The keyer works the same as other ones I've used. To change the speed, you tap this button, and then you hold one of the paddles down or the other to go up or down in speed. It sends bits while you're doing that, so you can listen for the speed that you want. Now the paddles seem to be very cleverly designed to be light and inexpensive. The construction's clever. You got the, fiberglass circuit board, and you solder it together to, kind of make the 3D structure you need. The feel's a little softer and less definite than what I prefer or what I'm used to, but it's perfectly usable, especially at low to moderate speeds. There's a jack. You can plug in your own paddle if you want. There's another jack for the speaker or for headphones, which you'll need to be able to hear the code. I believe that they sell this as just the paddle on a smaller board, although I found even with this larger board, there's just not a lot of gravity in it. You gotta hold it with one hand so it doesn't wander away. Anyway, it's time for me to hand this off to its new owner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have thoughts or questions to share, please do so down in the comments section. And if this is the kind of thing you're into, hit that subscribe button.